Today we're here with...
Nicole Hidalgo, an accountancy graduate.
Okay, so what award are you expecting in today's graduation po?
I expect as a magna cum laude.
So, magna cum laude.
Yeah.
How does it feel to say na graduating ka po with Latin honor?
Actually, hindi, I feel nothing. Siyempre, ang haba ko naman sa akin. Pero, syempre, halos lahat naman ng, hindi nila in-expect, and ganun din ako. Kasi, ang hirap ng subject namin, and ang hirap ng course namin. So, bonus talaga, and blessing talaga magkaroon ng ganun Latin.
Yes, but would you consider graduating with Latin honor as your biggest plot twist, or is there something else?
Hindi. Ang biggest plot twist ko is, nakalabas sa comfort zone. Kasi sobrang timid, mahiyain talaga ako. Pero, nung sumali ako sa org, doon talaga lumabas yung tunay na ako. Naging host ako sa iba't ibang event, sa big event, like yung Mr. and Miss and other events outside school or sa NCR, gano'n. So, para sa akin yun, kasi yun yung nag-build sa akin para maging gantong person.
Okay, so, syempre, as a student leader and an academic achiever
Yes.
po, so how do you juggle those things po all together?
Actually, hindi siya magdala. Syempre, lahat naman ng naging officer ng iba't ibang org, hindi naging madali yung yung journey nila. But then, kailangan mo talaga ng time management talaga and courage na ipagpatuloy. Kasi hindi siya madali eh. Pwede kang mag-stumble during term mo. So, dapat nasa mindset mo talaga, pinasok mo tong position na to or org na to. So, ayun. And sa academics as well, kasi accountancy hindi siya madali. So, dapat talaga nasa mindset mo na yun na hindi siya madali. Kailangan mo siyang tapusin. Wala kang choice. Ganon. Hindi ka mayaman. Ayan.
Ayun, so before we end this conversation po, I want you to finish this sentence. Being an ambition means...
Being an ambition means coffee-powered, grade conscious, and cha-cha-cha sa duties ng org.
Okay po, I agree with that, Ate. So do you have any message po to our school and to our fellow ambitions?
Ayan, sa mga fellow ambitions ko, lalo na sa mga accountancy students, just do your best. Alam ko hindi madali na i-pursue yung course natin, but then, pray lang kayo. Yun talaga yung pinaka magiging anchor nyo para matapos yung course na to and magkaroon ng Latin honor.
Okay. Thank you so